Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I am your host, Crypto Chester, and today I want to talk to you about Solana. This is going to be an update on Solana and a bit of a price prediction as to where we think this could be going. We're going to be looking at some potential trades to the upside and to the downside, and also some very important price prediction levels here for the macro trend here for Solana. So starting off here on, we'll start off on the real macro, the weekly here. And I just want to review some market structure points, because the market structure points of this current bull market is very important, especially for Solana, guys, because this essentially tells us the very key areas as to what direction the trend currently is in. Okay, so right now, obviously, macro bullish trend. If we lose the most recent confirmed higher low on the macro, which is the weekly, we're going to be looking at a $79 Solana. If we lose that, so if we come down to this level and we break this in terms of support to the downside, then it's quite likely that we're going to see the reversal of the trend. Okay, it's one confirmation that we can look for, or at least a short-term reversal. Okay, so right now we're actually still in a bullish market structure as long as we're above $79. So just remember that, guys. And remember that is basically 50% correction here from where we're currently at. If we just pull that down, yeah, just over 50% as a correction there. So if we do get down to $79 to get to where we are, it's actually going to be a 2x on our investment, which is absolutely crazy. And that's why I will be DCAing at every single macro market structure higher low point. Moving down the timeframes here to find out a bit more information here and to find out some potential trades we can be looking for here. I mean, the obvious pattern is on the screen right now. The obvious pattern that we are looking for here, guys, is obviously a bull flag. The bull flag has resistance on the top side, support on the lower side, in a digressionary stance at the top of a lovely uptrend. Usually, this means just some short-term correctionary price action, but not enough to throw the actual price of the asset to worrying trend reversal levels. Now, what that means is essentially it's chilling out. It's taking a breather after seeing such a bullish trend to the upside. It's taking a breather, which is absolutely fine. This is healthy, guys. This is healthy for a chart. But what we can be looking for now is essentially a breakout of this bull flag. The breakout scenario can be something along the lines of this. What we do, we measure the lower side of the bull flag to the higher side of the bull flag, and essentially drag and drop that to the top side, and that gives us what we like to call, well, what is called a measure move. Okay, the measure move here will consist of roughly around 59%, maybe a little bit lower than that, 57% or so, and that will be breaking very crucial all-time highs there for Solana if we see that get completed. Now, do I think this is going to happen? Absolutely. I think we're due a very strong alt season. Usually after the Bitcoin halving, we see alt season take off around October. And from what we are seeing with Solana in terms of the strength of the asset and the market structure and the correctionary phase that we're currently in, compared to a lot of other altcoins, it's not correcting that aggressively, which makes it worrying for future pumps, okay, in terms of market structure corrections and trend reversals and all that good stuff. But right now, it's still looking bullish. It's still looking great. We're just looking for that lovely breakout scenario. Now, let's talk about this breakout. Let's talk about this, the ideal trade setup here for Solana right now. This is an educational point, guys. Remember, don't just go take this trade. You need to do your own research here before just jumping in wildly. The first thing we want to do, we need to actually measure out key take profit levels, guys. We can't just blindly go in and aim for 57%. It's very unlikely that this is going to happen. And if you are trading futures, which is leverage for you guys that don't know what futures is, it's very unlikely that you basically complete this measure move to the upside. It's a 3-to-1 chance. It happens every 1 in 3 chance. So it's very unlikely it does happen. It doesn't happen, sorry. So what we need to do to counteract it not happening, the safest way we can do it is staggering our take profits as we go. Okay, the staggering the take profits is super important, and that's why we draw in these lovely simple levels of support. Okay, I'm going to bang another one there actually, because that's clearly a key point of resistance here. So in terms of an entry point, what I want to see here, an entry point would consist of, you can see the candle body closes between these two horizontal points that we have spoke about already. Now, candle body close here. we can see we hit this area. Candle body close here, we hit this area. Candle body close here, saw a bit of a pullback, but ended up hitting this area. Candle body close, hit this area. Candle body close, didn't hit this area because we were on that pullback. So you can see it was around 4 out of 5 there, candle body closes, that actually slapped take profit 1 at 1941. So what we're looking for here, on an average, that's pretty good statistics, guys, okay? So ideally, we want to see a candle body close here. This is going to be our entry point. And then our first take profit is going to be up at around $194 for Solana. And that will consist of around a 3% move. I know it doesn't sound huge, guys. But remember, if you're 10x leveraging this, 30% move. It's a 30% move, guys. Just remember, hedge funds, they aim for 8% a year. Okay, 8% a year. So that is still very, very good. And the chance of us getting to take profit 1 is super, super likely. Take profit 2, you can see on the cards, really, really, really profitable. We hit that multiple times as well. And remember, this is going to be a new fresh breakout. So it's very likely we hit TP2 and even TP3. And that will consist of 8.49%, and to finish us off around 11.49%. Once we're done with that, guys, we'll basically be leaving 25% equity in our futures trade. And if it runs, if Solana goes to the moon here and we hit that 57%, hey, it's free money, right? It's free money at the end of the day. But what we're doing, we're taking out equity, we're banking profit. So if the trade does reverse, we put our stop loss to our entry point, and that means we're in profit, we've taken money, we're not going to be losing anything. We're in a risk-free trade, as we like to call it, okay? That's sort of the goal here with this lovely, lovely Solana position. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this trade as well. I'm very, very confident for it, and I'm really looking forward to Solana actually taking off here. Just wanted to bring up some macro volume-weighted ATR bands as well, because you can see these are super important, guys. You can see the daily is actually up at our TP3, and the 12-hour will be coming down quite aggressively to our TP1 as well. So these are definitely points that we need to be looking out for there while potentially trading this asset. That is going to be it from me. Let me know what you think of the Solana update in the comment section. Drop a little like if you could. But that's going to be it from me for now. If you like the channel, drop a little sub on it. We're uploading 4 times a day on this channel. 4 times a day, right? Not to mention short form content as well. All right? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Again, that's going to be it from me. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.